Hey y'all, Merry early Christmas. I just wanted to film a final update on my 2019 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack. If you watched that 75,000 mile video that I made, you would have heard that I was planning to sell the Alltrack and tomorrow was the appointment to sell it. So I figured I'd make a quick little video, reflect on the 2.5 years I've had, and also give a nice night look at the car too. As you can see, the Georgia flag is gone. Save for a few things like my garage door opener and my delivery bags, the car is pretty much cleaned out, and my dash cam too, because I wanted to save the last moments. And I thought these apple remnants were kind of funny. If you remember the RAV4, when I sold it, it had the bird poop down the side, and now this has the apple remnant stuck on it. So both cars leave in kind of weird cosmetic shape. And my Mr. sticker is gone too. I had them take that off today and we'll transfer to the new vehicle. Not giving any hints right now about the new car, except that it's nice and it has all the features the Alltrack has, such as the automatic parallel parking, the pano roof, proximity with push button start, you name it, and some extras too. All right, so I just hit 76,000 miles tonight. I'll probably add maybe 20 miles at most to this number. So let's go ahead and start up. There are a couple things I'd like to do with the car before I sell it. First thing is that I'd like to try out the CD player. I've never tried the CD player in here since I always use CarPlay. And of course, take out the other stuff that I've got. I'm probably going to leave my dash cam in until I offload the car. But yeah, as you've probably seen from some reels, the YouTube TikToks that they have now that any short video gets converted to, I've had some problems with the Alltrack. That turbo failure where it sounded like a Skrillex song, that was very concerning and had the car away the whole month of June. I've had the sunroof stuff that I've discussed pretty regularly since last December. There's been a little electrical stuff like my CarPlay just abruptly stopping working, and as you all know, these cars have a 6-year, 72,000 mile warranty, and I'm past 72,000 miles. So with the Alltrack still being worth a good bit for the condition and mileage it has, like the headliner is still in pretty bad shape if we're being quite honest. And I know this camera never does a good job of showing stuff up close, but if we look, we see just all sorts of like grease marks and fingerprints and all, and water lines from before. So even though it's not leaking anymore, the headliner's in rough shape, and the armrest is also cracking too. So all of these factors, along with the pretty good number that I got for the car, that's why I didn't bother trying private party or cars and bids, as well as the fact that the car market is just cooling down. I was able to find something at a very good price. It's going to cost a little more to insure a month, and biggest hint I'll drop is that it does recommend premium gas, but it'll be worth it for all the driving I do. It's going to be a very comfy cruiser for all of my deliveries, and yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I'll probably have a future video where I reflect on my time with the Alltrack. This was just kind of spur of the moment because I needed to share that this is going away. I've known that I'm getting a new car for a week and a half now, and tomorrow's finally the day I give the Alltrack away. So from May 2020 until December 2022, this has been my daily driver, and spent a lot more time driving this than even the RAV4. So for everyone that still sticks around for my 3 videos a year, I appreciate you. By the way, if you ever feel I talk too much in the videos, if you put the videos even on 1.5 speed, it'll make them go by faster. That's how I watch YouTube now, so just an FYI. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little final update on my 2019 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack SE with driver assistance and appearance. If y'all have any other questions about my ownership experience or follow-ups on some of the other videos I made, such as why it's the best car, only for it to have turbo failure, please let me know. Thank you again, and I look forward to debuting the new vehicle with y'all. Bye-bye.